Welcome to Guide to Joomla 5 course. Today in this practical, I will teach you how we can use core setting of Joomla 5 to create a blog for our website. So after logging to our website, first of all, I did a category named the blog and save and close it, and later I did some article for that blog. I am not going to create new article because as I have already created those article that belongs to category blog that I just created. So we have 4 articles in this category. Next, I have to go to the main menu. Then I have to create a new menu, name it blog. Then going to menu item type and select from the articles. We can have two type of menu item to show as a blog. First is the category block, which displays article introduction in a single or multi-column layout. Second is the category list. It displays a list of articles in a category in a table form. So I will choose category block. Then it asks for choosing a category. I will go select and select the blog category that I just created. We can also use tags to filter out if we want to display any specific tags associated articles. Then under the category tab, we can choose the setting for title, description, image, sublabels, and either to show or hide the categories and show the no article message in specific category headings, their description, subcategory head description, number of article to show in a category, then finally the tags. Inside the blog layout, we have number of leading article, which is set by the global setting 1. And if we want to apply a specific CSS class to those leading article, we can specify that class name here. Next, we have number of intro articles, which just display after the leading article on page. And we can set the CSS class and number of columns, which is currently set one number of column as set by global configuration of articles. And we can set the multi-column direction with whether to go next column down or across. Then we can also set the links, which display after the intro articles. We can set featured article to be shown or hidden. Link intro image. If we set the image to be displayed, we can also link to the detail of that detail page of that article. Similarly, we can set the category order, and there is no order, title alphabetical, title reverse alphabetical, or category order, which is selected currently. We can also order the articles and date for ordering, pagination either to show or hide, pagination summary either to show or hide. Then I will save the menu, come to the front end of website, go to the blog, and it's starting showing the blog article in one column with the read more link. As we don't have some image for those articles, therefore inside the category we have shown image. I can set the category image to show, but there is no image in the article, therefore it will not show an image. Let us change some setting. Select this multi-column direction to across, number of column to 4. Save the setting. So this broke the layout into 4 columns. Then leading and intro. Leading column is the one. We can also choose the cipher. So if I want to display out the article in one row, it depends on your own personalized setting. If I go to the articles and start editing and set some image, there are two type of images: intro image and full article image. Intro image is shown on the category layout, and the full images can be shown inside when an article read more is clicked. Select some image. Come back to website, refresh the page, and article image is there. Here we can see only the read more button is clickable, neither article title nor image is clickable. If I come back to the menu and under the category, link title, I go to the options and link titles set to yes, and here we can also choose read mode with the title to show or hide. Link the intro image, yes, save the setting, refresh the page, and all the titles are clickable, and also the image is clickable. When I click on it, also note the text showing right here is called intro text. And we can set hide or show that intro text. Let me show you how to set the intro text. So under the articles, when we write the content article text, after let us say 50 or 60 characters, I may choose this insert read more, insert mode HR tag, and it will draw something like this. If I go to the code, it show me that HR tag with the ID system dash read more has been inserted in our text. So this is the intro text showing the uh, blog category layout, and when we click on the read more, all the full text is being shown. So that was all about our blog page.